Well, hello guys. Don't mind the big block 4-speed car behind me, unless you do mind the big block 4-speed car behind me, because then you can leave a like and a comment below, and then you can see how I drive this thing. But that'll be for another video in the future. Today we're talking about German cars, for some reason. I don't know why. This is a great start. So, Karbel. Maybe you've heard of them. I never did until I saw them online, and then I decided to buy one. And overpay for this piece of carbon fiber that's going to be going on the grill insert of an Audi A4, 2021, maybe 2020 plus. They have like this little insert. It's basically just for show. It does absolutely nothing. But it looks cool. And then I figured it would look cooler if it had a piece of carbon fiber on it. So Karbel here. We're going to do an unboxing video of this, and then in a future video, I'll show you me actually putting it on the car. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox this thing. Karbel, apparently, to my knowledge, is based in Texas. So they are a U.S. manufacturer. They make it in-house in Texas. So we're hoping that it's going to be pretty good. I have faith in it. Oops. Okay. Packaging is a solid 8 out of 10. Let me cut this before I accidentally break the carbon fiber. I don't know if I can do that as easily as I think so, but my luck I would. Yep, says for Audi A4, so I think we're on the right track here. Yeah. Oh, I may have said this wrong the whole time. I think it's Karbel, something. I don't know. This video is not sponsored by them in any way, just as a disclaimer, although I wish I was. Okay, so, I'm going to go ahead and try not to break this. Definitely real carbon. Good gloss factor. Very lightweight. I gotta respect the company that definitely makes it in-house in Texas, USA made. At least that's what I was told and derived from the website. I mean, labor rates are really expensive, and you know, this thing is very cool, but I don't think it's worth $200. But it's definitely gonna look cooler than black plastic that's totally gonna fade. Obviously we can treat that, but you know, it only holds up for so long. So this will be a pretty cool addition, I'd say. As you can see, it's just double back tape. In another video, I'll show you, we'll prep the surface, clean the car, everything, make sure it's ready, and then we'll slap it on down there. And then we'll see how she looks. But yeah, say that concludes the unboxing. So overall, Karbel, pretty nice piece. Like I said, not sponsored yet. A pretty nice piece. Doesn't look cheap. Definitely real carbon. So we'll see what happens. So please tune in for the next video whenever I actually install this. Please leave a like and a comment down below. Comment if you want to see anything else, specifically in the Audi A4 or with this nice big block 4-speed Impala behind me. There will definitely be more videos coming to the Rad Performance channel in the near future. So, yeah, I guess that's all for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, guys, so obviously taking some rubbing alcohol, prepping the surface, gonna let it gas off for a little bit before we do the installation. Okay, guys, we just pulled off the backing tape, and now we're gonna stick it on, and hopefully it stays and apply pressure. See how it looks. Okay, guys, we gave it the push down. Nice pressure, the tape is activated. It's definitely sticking on there nicely. Fitment is really good. Overall, nothing bad to say about it, just kind of except for the price, but overall pretty nice. And I'll show you what it looks like with the hood closed. So yeah, guys, overall looks pretty good. I would definitely recommend If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you want me to do something else to it. That's it for today. See you guys in the next one.